have the Ipsy Glam Bag, or what they're calling the original for February. This is the one that I order myself, so I am subscribed to them, but let's go ahead and get into it. This is the bag this month. It's this cute little pink bag, really on trend with Valentine's Day, and the zipper has a little heart here. And this month the theme is for the love of you. They gave us a little sneak peek as far as next month. The choices are going to be like the face oil from e.l.f., the Olivia Uma putting cream, or Maison Louis Marie perfume. So we have some sneak peeks here. And let's get into what I got. First off, I had one item that was outside the bag, and I went ahead and tried it underneath the lip product that I have. This is called Plump and Pout by Beauty Creations. It looks like a little injection. I thought the packaging is super cute. I do like the fact that it has like a little locking feature, so you can like lock it, like turn it off. And then when you open it up, like when you plump it out, you just like plump some out and it comes out like that. And it's almost like clear with a little bit of a pink type of tone to it. Let me go ahead and clean that off before I get it all dirty. But I do like the fact that this is easy to apply. I will say this gives you like a burning, you know, tingling sensation to the lips. You want to be cautious how much you apply. Right now I feel like I even got a little bit on my tongue. But this really, you can feel it. I don't feel like a huge plumping as far as my lips. I don't have huge lips to begin with. You know, I just feel like a little bit more juiciness. Basically, it kind of just makes the blood circulation kind of come to your lips and look a little bit more poutier. But this is a full size and it is $7. It has vitamin E. It's also supposed to hydrate, and it says turn up the heat with this high shine plumping gloss. And you can definitely feel the heat. Even right now I can feel it like going at it, and I applied the tiniest amount. So this is really for people who don't mind that feeling. Next up is my actual choice. This is the Dr. Jart. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I think it's Cicapair, but this is their Intense Soothing Repair Cream. This was my choice because I have really dry skin and I have been doing anything to hydrate it, and this is supposed to be a really good cream for your skin barrier. So I will layer this on with other. It's a little bit thinner than I thought it was gonna be, but it leaves like a smoothing type of effect to it. I might try this underneath my under eyes and see how it goes, because my under eyes, they need help. Okay, this is the travel size, and this is worth $22. This brand is more on the pricey side, but they have such great reviews about this. So as soon as I saw that as one of the choices, I was like, yeah, that's my choice. Next up, we have a little Silky leave-in conditioner. I actually tried this in my hair today. My hair's still a little bit wet, but it's been like air drying. It has a nice clean smell to it. It's almost like a gel type of formula. It's not like a cream. And it's supposed to help frizz. It's supposed to hydrate your hair. It's supposed to just be like a leave-in conditioner to really help your hair. It even has a jojoba oil. It feels nice on the hair, and because it's almost like a type of gel type of formula, hopefully you guys will see that on the tip there. Because it's a gel type of formula, I feel like it's not as heavy on the hair, so that's really nice. I'll continue to play with it and see how I like it. This is a deluxe sample, but the full size is $22, which isn't that bad if I was to like it and want to purchase the full size. Next, we have the Dallas and James Skincare Company Watermelon Dream Milk Serum. It says for hydration of the skin, and this is supposed to be very dewy, no heavy kind of feel to it. When it said watermelon, I automatically thought of the Glow recipe, but this is actually very similar, kind of like to the new milky toners that everybody has been loving. I have been loving them a lot, like the Rhode. I have a Korean one that I have in my rotation right now. These just kind of really help bring hydration. I usually use a milky toner or like a milky serum like this first, and then apply my moisturizer on top, especially because I just need that hydration. My skin just soaks it up right away. So this is really nice. I will continue to play with this. I had never heard of this brand, but it seems pricey. The full size is $42. So I'm not sure if this is a new brand coming out or it's been around, but it does feel nice. Next we have the Farah Gel Eyeliner in Mahi Maroon. It's actually what I have in my waterline today. And this is creamy, really beautiful. It's a beautiful burgundy shade. Let me just swatch this for you guys. But that's the shade right there. It's like a dark burgundy, but it's absolutely beautiful. And I love the creaminess. It does have like staying power because I've had this makeup on probably for an hour now and it still hasn't even budged from there, which is nice. There's some liners that you could put it in your waterline and automatically just from the moisture there, it'll start like dissipating and like disappearing. But so far it looks super pigmented and it looks like it's there to stay. Overall, I have to say, this month, I love everything in my bag, from the skincare, hair, makeup, like the whole 9 yards. I feel like all 5 of these products I'm going to keep, I'm going to use. I'm excited that I got them. That makes the bag a winner for me. I feel like sometimes when I don't, like it's a duplicate or something that I'm not going to use, or it doesn't suit my skin or such things like that, I'm like, you know. But at least if I have 4 of the 5 products, to me it usually is a winner. So to have 5 out of 5 is definitely a winner for me this month. Let me know what your choice was, what you guys got. I'd love to hear from you down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, subscribing. If you're not subscribed, all you gotta do is hit that little red button down below. It's free. I have my social media links down below as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.